Chapter 3, Data Types and Structures, Working with Strings. In this tutorial, we will learn about working with strings. Also, we will learn about the length of a string. We will start with the length of the string. First, we need to write this code, which is len. Len is an abbreviation for length. Then between two brackets we write string name, which we identified in programming. For example, the name Frida Smith. So the program is saving Frida Smith inside the value name. Now the name has Frida Smith. The second code is output len and between two brackets name. That means print on the screen the length of the string that is inside the name. However, it will not show the actual name, which is Frida Smith, even though it is inside the name. So it will give me the length. Why? Because we have len before name. It understands that we want the length of the string inside the name. In this case, the output will be 11. Why 11? Okay. So here is the string with the index positions of the characters. Let's look at them. F1, R2, E3, D4, A5, S6, M7, I8, T9, H10. So we have 10 letters. Then why is the length 11? The length is 11 because when the computer calculates the length, it also counts the space. That means the space is counted as a character. Also, the index usually starts with a 0. So, you should know that here we started with index 0 and it increased until the last letter. And don't forget to count the space when using length.